not being color coded. What bone is through here? Here and here and here. Sphenoid. So this is sphenoid, this is sphenoid, this is sphenoid. What about right through here? Where your inner ear is and your middle ear? It's a temporal bone. Right. And all this back here? Occipital. The sutures, quickly. This one? Here. So coronal, sagittal, here, lambdoid, and weird. I don't think this lid goes with this skull. Through here, squamous. Okay, some specific markings. If there were holes here, what would they be called? Supraorbital foramen. What bone do they belong to? Frontal. Those here? Infraorbital foramen. Identify this process.
Temporal process of the zygomatic bone.
Temporal process of the zygomatic bone. Good. Identify this process. Mastoid process. Identify this process. Thyroid process. Identify this whole. Neurons permeatus. Identify this process. Zygomatic process of the temporal bone. Identify these processes. Alveolar processes. True or false? The inferior nasal concha is part of the ethmoid bone.
True.
Inferior
False.
nasal concha. False. The superior and middle nasal concha belong to the ethmoid bone. Which two can you see? Inferior and the middle. Good. What forms the bulk of the bony part of the nasal septum? Perpendicular plate of the ethmoid bone. Okay, now everybody gets quiet because this is the hard part, right? What's the superior most part of the ethmoid bone that I'm pointing at here? Cristigale. There will be an image on the practical where I zoom in on this and point to structures in here. So make sure you know these markings. What's the floor adjacent to the Cristigale called? Cribriform plate, and what are the holes in it? Olfactory foramina. Good. Here, we said this is sphenoid. What part of the sphenoid? These are the lesser wings here. Which wings form the back of the orbit? The greater wings. Through here where my thumbs are. And then what's this right here? Sella turcica. And what sits there? The pituitary gland. Good. Name the hole through here. Hard to show you. Internal auditory meatus. Good. I don't know what holes you had to know on the bottom. Did you have to know carotid canal or jugular foramen? Yes. Okay, so the jugular foramen is the big one. Closest to the foramen magnum. So this is jugular foramen, closest to the foramen magnum. The carotid canal is nice and circular through here. It's for your internal carotid. Sorry, I just pointed to the foramen ovale. Carotid canal is right here. The foramen ovale is here, nice and oval shaped. You don't have to know any others like lacerum or rotundum, spinosum. Alright. Anything? Okay, what about these depressions here? Temporal bone. Mandibular fossa. There's a stylomastoid foramen. If that's in there, does it make sense to make this hole, to call this hole that the probe is in the stylomastoid foramen? Yeah. It's right in between the styloid process and the mastoid process. What's this right here? The labella. Labella. I feel like I got most. What else do I have to do for AC? Oh, the mandible. base, mandibular condyles here, arachnoid processes. This portion here, ramus here, angle here, body, this region, mental region, so this whole is mental foramen, and then this hole here, mandibular foramen. I think that's it for axial.